Hey, what is up, YouTube? Happy 4th of July. It's John Miro here, back again with another video. I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys happy 4th of July and let you know what's going on with my investments that I'm going through in Robinhood. How's it going? How's it looking? I just wanted to bring you guys on to show you exactly what's happening with my Dogecoin. And I have another one that has been doing kind of good, kind of not good, but I know that a lot of people are invested in AMC, so I had to jump in and I only got 5 shares, but let's break it down and let me show you how I got my 5 shares of AMC. So let's look at my Robinhood account and I'm going to show you guys kind of what we're looking at. So I've got my Robinhood pulled up and I've got 5 AMC shares. I've got a very small amount of Bitcoin, and right now I'm setting at 724 Dogecoins. And Dogecoin has been going up and down a little bit. It was at 25 cents a second ago and now it's dropped down to 0.24, so 24 cents. It's kind of fluctuating between 24 and 25 cents. So let me tell you how I got into AMC. I started listening to this guy. Y'all know who it is. Really good guy. Love his channel. And he started talking about how he was going all in with AMC. They made a video about it. So I was listening one night and I really got plugged in. And that time I was sitting around, I would say 12, almost 1,300 Dogecoin. And that's when Dogecoin was sitting around that 40 cents mark. So I sold around 500-600 Dogecoin to get enough money to buy 5 AMC shares. Now, when I bought AMC, and I'm gonna show you guys right quick, I bought AMC when it was at $31.96. So you can understand that when it jumped up to the 50s to the 60s and that one day hit 70, man, I really did good on my profit, but I was holding on because they said that this thing was just gonna skyrocket. It's just gonna go high. It's just gonna be just like GameStop. For those who are invested in AMC, let me know in the comments below what you've heard, the different things going here and there, because AMC is something that they said is equivalent to GameStop, that what they didn't do with GameStop, they're gonna do with AMC. Now back to Dogecoin. Dogecoin was doing so good, I was able to sell early before it did this huge drop and make the money to buy 5 shares of the AMC. So let's go to Dogecoin right quick. So Dogecoin all day has been fluctuating up and down, up and down. This morning about 3 it was at 25 cents and it's kind of been dragging around that 24.8, 24.9, and then it went up, like I said, just a while ago, and it was at 25 when I last checked it, and then now it's dropped back down to 24.9. So it's going back and forth. Here's the problem though. Here's where I'm at. So I have, this is my average cost, 41 cents, guys. Let me tell you what happened. This is a sad story. Super sad. Let's play some sad music. Okay, enough of that. Here's what happened. One night I was watching, I was scalping, I was getting a lot of coins. And to keep in mind, that's how I got up to that 1,300 mark, is because of the scalping. All the coins, all the money that I invested in, it was a total of around 919. And then from scalping every single day, even on the weekends, I was able to get up to 1,300 Dogecoin. Well, guys, one time of not catching it, I missed it. I definitely did not catch it at the right time. Let me tell you what happened. So one night I was watching it and I was about to sell it and make a lot more money because it was about to drop, and I fell asleep. When I fell asleep, I woke up. Now, here's the thing. I was at 41 cents. It had jumped up to 43 cents. And I was kind of trying not to get too much, but I was like, man, I know it's going to keep going higher. And I was watching it. It was 12:30, 12:45 at night. And I'm like, okay, I'm watching it. My eyes are getting heavy. And then I fall asleep. I wake up that morning and it's at 38 cents. Big sad moment. Sad, super sad moment. And I'm like, maybe it will go back up. Maybe there's a chance that it'd go back up today, but nope. It kept going down. So I've been stuck. If I sell it now, I'm gonna lose so much Doge. Well, it's kind of one of those things where if I sell it now, I will lose a lot of Doge and it will take me a week or two to get back to where I was, and that's scalping every day. So what do I want to do? Do I want to scalp? Do I want to sell? So it's a lot of things that I'm trying to figure out right now on what I want to do. But I do want to have more Dogecoin. So let me tell you something, guys. Here's where I'm at with Dogecoin. I see a lot of things that are happening, and you've read the articles, you've seen the videos. There's so many people posting YouTube videos about, look at this update, look at that update. And I'm like, nothing's really happening. Let's get real for a second. I haven't been posting a whole lot, and here's why. There's not a whole lot happening with Dogecoin. I watch Dogecoin every single day, and I'm looking at articles and I'm watching the videos, and everybody's like, here's an update, here's an update, here's an update. And I'm thinking, nothing's happening. Because when I look at Robinhood, it ain't moving. It's not going up drastically. Yeah, it went up a few cents and then it went right back down. So here's kind of where I'm at with Dogecoin. If I sell everything that I have now from 41 cents average cost, drop down to 24, 25 cents, I'm gonna lose a little under half of what I have. I already know that, but I can scalp to get back up. But here's a reason why I haven't really done anything, is because check a look at this tweet that came out by Satoshi Nakamoto. That's our secret. There is no plan. So this tweet that came out, yes, it signifies that, you know what, there is really no plan. Elon Musk, I'm afraid to say it, this is what's happening, is losing his power over the crypto community after his latest tweets failed to boost Dogecoin or Bitcoin. Dogecoin is no longer being pushed because Elon Musk says a tweet. He's losing his power. What does that tell you? Do you think Dogecoin is still going to go to the moon? Do you think Shiba Inu will go to the moon? Do you think Bitcoin's gonna do better? This cryptocurrency market is all up in the air. I posted a video a couple days ago talking about Elon Musk, what he did a video a couple months ago talking about not to invest your whole life savings in it, but it will be the cryptocurrency of the future. It will be the market of the future. But it's not wise to invest your life savings into it because there's a possibility that it's not going to be where we want it right now. Bitcoin, when I looked at it the beginning of the year, it was sitting around $64,000. Insane, which is crazy, but look at where it's at now. It's almost half of what it used to be. So look at the cryptocurrency market in a whole. There's a few that are doing good, there are a few that are not doing good, but where do you stand with cryptocurrency? Where do you stand? Do you want to invest in it? Are you gonna scout? Are you looking at AMC? Are you looking at Ethereum? Are you looking at Dogecoin? Or are you looking at Shiba Inu? Elon Musk is not having an effect anymore on the Dogecoin cryptocurrency. He talked about getting a Shiba Inu dog and all that good stuff, but that hasn't really done anything. It did a little bit for Shiba Inu, but it really hasn't elevated anymore. Here's something in the article that says investors are no longer listening and realizing that his tweets, Elon Musk, shouldn't be a deciding factor. Robinhood this week said its business could be hurt if Dogecoin demand declines. Dogecoin was doing so good, celebrities, everybody was investing in it, but look at where it's at now. It's sad. It was in the 50 cents, 60 cents. And here's one thing that I said. I wish that I would have bought it when it was around that 20 cents range. Well, you know what? It's at the 20 cents range, but I don't think it's going back up. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. We know that Tesla is going to be using Bitcoin. We know that Tesla is going to be using Dogecoin as a form of payment, but when is that? Mark Cuban said by the end of this year that Dogecoin will hit $1. So what do we do? I'm going to be honest, guys. Dogecoin has been sitting around this 20 cents. I know it dropped a little bit more in the last week, and I've been sitting on 41 cents. I've been stuck. I haven't been able to scalp. I haven't been able to do anything. I think I'm going to just bite the bullet. And I think, guys, that I'm just going to sell it all and buy back whatever I can buy back when it drops again, because I can't scalp at 41 cents when it's sitting around 24, 25. So fingers crossed. Let's see what happens. Guys, I will keep you updated. I've got another video coming tomorrow to kind of let you know what I did, that I did sell it all, or did I chicken out and I say, you know what, I just can't push myself to do it. I've got a special video coming. Stay tuned for that. And hey guys, if you haven't already heard, I'm doing a $100 giveaway when this channel hits 1,500 subscribers. Now we're getting close, we're around 1,100. So guys, we only got 400 more. So jump in for your chance to win. If you have any questions about it, let me know down in the comments below. But here's my channel, guys, 1.1K subscribers. I couldn't have done it without you guys, but let's get this channel moving. I've got some cryptocurrency information for you guys to come. So stay tuned. Until next time, I'm John Muro. Peace.